Hi everyone, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. This one is just unbelievable. We had a dealership, an import store that sells about 120 cars a month, sign up with us for 2 days of sales training. The goal, I think, was to learn a little bit about our training and see how it fit. And the training went very, very well. Everyone was excited. And as part of the training, we did some F&I training. Now, this dealership in F&I is only doing about $1,250 per retail unit in their F&I department. Their number is so low that when we do our recaps, our graphs to chart it do not even go that low. Our average dealership in F&I in our import stores is doing somewhere between $2,300 to $2,600 per retail unit. We presented this to the dealership and we showed them that just in F&I alone, they were leaving a little bit over $1.4 million on the table. Their reply to us was, well, we use our warranty provider, and I'm not going to mention who it was, to do our training, and we are very satisfied with that training. So we are just going to stay the course. You're going to stay the course. You're leaving $1.4 million on the table of commissionable gross, of which your people earn, commissions off of, and you're going to stay the course. That makes no logical sense. And we wonder why we're not making more money in some of our dealerships. Good luck, everyone.